Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over number 21 from the 2017 AMCA. Let's take a look at our problem. Okay, suppose A, B, and C are non-zero real numbers and A plus B plus C equals 0. What are the possible values for A over the absolute value of A plus B over the absolute value of B plus C over the absolute value of C plus ABC over the absolute value of ABC? Okay, so when I first see this problem, I'm thinking it's pretty complex, right? Like there's three different variables, they're all in one equation, they want us to find the different possible values. So let's break it down. A plus B plus C equals 0. Okay, so that means they sum to 0. Now none of them can be 0, so it can't be 0, 0, 0, because they're in the denominator, right? Division by 0 is undefined. So that means that there's only two possible scenarios. So scenario 1 is that 2 are positive and 1 is negative. Okay, and scenario 2 is that 2 are negative and one of them is positive. Okay, so now let's just go through these two scenarios. Let me just erase this. Okay, so A, B, C is equal to 0. Plus, plus. Okay, so now let's say that A and B are both the positive ones, and C is the negative one. So a positive, okay, we'll just assign values for them just to help clear things up, right? This works. 1, 2, and negative 3. So let's plug these values in. So 1 over 1 plus 2 over 2, plus negative 3 over 3 plus negative 6 over 6, which is 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1, 0. So this is our result from the first scenario, that 2 are positive and 1 is negative. Every possible value the only possible value from this is 0. So now let's take a look at our answer choices. We can actually already rule out B and C because neither of them have 0, and we've already seen that 0 is a possible value. So let's go ahead and erase all this. Now let's make two negatives. A, B, C equals 0. Now let's make A and B both negative 1 and negative 2, and we'll make C 3. Okay, so now let's plug in our values. Negative 1 over 1 plus negative 2 over 2 plus 3 over 3 plus negative, no, it's not negative, sorry, it's just 6 over 6. So this is negative 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. And if we do this, that's 0 also. Okay, so now we have both the scenarios that we have put out are 0. So that means that the only possible value is 0. And looks like we have an answer choice that matches that. So we have, there, 0 as our answer. And we're done.